Right? Very good. You need to hold on to this balance for 15 to 20 seconds. All those who are not doing, watching my face, please do it now. Very good. Now with the other leg, you need to grab the foot of the other leg.
Good morning,
You
sir.
need to ensure that good morning. You need to ensure that the knees remain together with each other. ऐसा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं हो सकता, right?
Good morning,
And
sir.
moreover, you need to keep your head on top of the leg which is on the ground. That is the way you can sustain the action or posture you have attained. Very good. Now you have to do twice with your right side and twice with your left side. Okay. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think one or two more have. And good. Okay. Next activity. Can you? Hello.
Yes,
Children, can you
sir.
see me? Okay. Now you need to grab the foot by the sole of the shoe, like this, like so. And you need to place the other hand beneath the knee. You need to pull the entire leg up towards your chest, feeling the press down below here. Right? This is how it goes up. You need to pull and drag it up towards the chest as if you have hands and you are trying to, cradle it up. Okay. Same posture, same everything. Need to pull the entire leg. Need to do twice with your right side and twice with your left side. Now we're doing very good. Chest के पास लाने की कोशिश करो. कोशिश करो और कितना ऊपर जा सकता है. Right? Attendance is very, very poor. I wonder why. The children of class 9, mostly those who are footballers, but only Suyash did arrive. Suyash, any idea why didn't Hardik arrive?
Sir, I don't know. Shubh is also there of class 9. Shubh Tiwari. Shubh Tiwari is also
Shubh
there.
Tiwari also belongs to class 9. Okay, fine. He's a new boy. Okay. All right. Next activity, we know which one it is. It is jogging. Jogging is an aerobic activity. Aerobic activities are those activities which, while doing, you can breathe in and out. You can inhale and exhale while in the act, right? Better that you keep breathing in and out while you jog. Jogging is slow running. You need to keep your fists clenched and you need to keep them near to your chest and you need to run for 100 steps. Right, remaining on your toes. Heel पे नहीं दौड़ेंगे. Keep running. Right. You need to run for 100 steps. 25, 26 and counting. Keep going. Good. Okay, very good.
You did.
You have done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can stop. Okay. Very good. Now, next activity. You know which one it is. You need to place your foot on top of the thigh of the other leg, like so. And you need to raise your hands up in the air. Remain very slow with the action so that you don't fall, you don't take a fall. And you remain absolutely, sort of one which doesn't move. Remain stationary Hold the position for at least 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 25 seconds. But remember that when you do it with the other side, the same number of seconds you need to sustain the act for. Right? See, a lot depends upon the mental state, the mental concentration. Today I'm feeling a bit shaky, so I had to raise my hand on the opposite side to attain the balance. You can now what you can do, you just forget everything around, concentrate on the activity, and you'll be able to attain the balance. Very good. You have to do it twice with your right side and twice with your you have to do twice with your right side and twice with your left side. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Keep going. I can see you doing. That's very good. All right. Next activity. Are we ready?
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is fast activity. This is called running. We do daily. Running is an anaerobic activity in which that means you can't breathe in out. You need to grab air as large amount as possible. You need to just inhale, stop breathing, use the air inside your chest, and run as fast as possible. Right? You need to shake your hands back and forth, and you need to raise up your legs really big and large steps as if you are taking, right? This way you need to run. Like this. Once you breathe in, you use that air which is there in your chest, right? Running is totally different from jogging. And running is an anaerobic activity, right? Keep running for 100 steps. It is me who can stop to watch, right? Very good. You are still jogging. पैर और ऊपर उठाओ, हाथ चलाओ. हाँ, good. Anushka Kati. Now next activity coming up. Are we ready? Stop. Can you see me? All right. Sit near to your camera. Right. Now block one nostril. Inhale with the one which is open. Right. Now switch the blockage. Ensure that for the entire activity, inhale or exhale with your mouth. Switch. Inhale, switch the blockage, exhale. And this with your left side you need to do. Very good. Keep doing. Priyal Patel, you need to stop and sit down now. And you need to do. Priyal, beta, are you listening? Neha ma'am, this girl has microphone. Priyal, sit down, beta. We are. You need to block one nostril, inhale with the exhale with the one which is open now, right? You need to press with your left side. Starting with your right. Very good. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
You do. You are sitting idly. Praveen, put your camera on, please. Praveen Gupta,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. कर रहा था.
put your camera on.
Yes, sir.
There is the need to keep the camera off. I wonder why. Okay, have you done it? Children, please report to me if you have completed the activity. Shubh Tiwari, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll switch to the other activity. Simple daily I do very good activity for children. Even cross the fingers of both the hands, place them right behind your head, and ensure that the knee of the same side touches the same side elbow. You need to ensure that it touches, right? Actually, you need to make the knee touch the elbow.
Gurvangi, beta, please do it.
Attaining a sort of a frog leap posture, right? While ensuring a frog leap posture while remaining upright, right? Same side heel touches the elbow. This side and 20 this side. 40 touches. This is a tedious task. And earlier we used to do it for only 10 repetitions. Now okay, keep going. Very good, Shubh Tiwari. Priyal Patel, you are not doing. Priya Patel, sorry.
Sir, what
Yes,
is the
Bhagwan.
exercise?
What is the what? What is what? What is
No, sir. What is the exercise?
you have to go for a meeting or what? Huh?
No, sir.
What is the exercise you did not see? Okay. I'm so sorry, my bacha. Here you go. You need to ensure that the knee touches the elbow of the same side, right? Right. Keep going. Saransh Dwivedi, good boy. You're working out. Shashwat, very good. Rajveer Samiksha, I'm happy about you. Gaurangi Verma, I cannot see you. Suyash Agarwal, you're showing me some sort of caption. I don't want to. Aryan Aditi, your camera is off. Praveen ran away. When this is the condition of the class. Today, only handful children are don't do in case we are. All right. Are we ready? All right. Here we go. Next activity. All right. Sit near to your camera. Cross with the fingers of both the hands. Okay, now exert opposite forces. Now you need to exert opposite force. Right? Okay. Itna hard कि you feel shaking, right? Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
Let me check if we are doing. You're doing right. Very good. Now place the right hand on the side of your head. Okay. Place your right hand on the side of your head. Either side, whichever side you want. Can you see me, children? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now place the right hand on the side of pressure. Now exert opposite forces. You can imitate me, right? Now ensure that the ear remains of any free of any pressure. Very good. Now put your hands like this. Place both the hands on top of your forehead. Now exert opposite forces. You're doing fine. Very good. Now I'm using both hands on top of your. Can you see me? I'm using both hands joined together on top of my forehead. Nice, Shubh. Look at me. Very good. Okay. Very good. Now we have another activity coming up. Right. Okay. All right. You need to lie down. Right. You place your elbow and hand like this. You need to turn towards a side, a specific one, whichever side you want to turn towards. Place your hand on top of your waist as if you are standing with the hands on your waist. And you need to raise your leg up. Right? You need to raise it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now with the other side, switch sides. Right? Place the elbow. This is how you need to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On my count, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now you do it on your own. Again with the right side and again with the left side. You need to do 2 sets with your right side and 2 sets with your left side. Keep going. I just want to see who is doing and who is not. In case someone is doing wrong, I would like to. क्या नाम है इसका? The boy named Karket. हाथ कहाँ है? हाथ कमर में नहीं है. शाश्वत नहीं, क्या नाम है इसका जो कारकेट के नाम से है?
Pranchal.
प्रांचल. प्रांचल, why you are lying down, बच्चा? No one is lying down. लेटे क्यों?
4, 5, 6,
These are the limitations of, you know. All right, done. Fine, but let me see what others are doing. Let me tell you, children. Many a times, if you do it wrong, if you regularly do it wrong, then you'll inculcate the habit of doing that particular activity wrong. Right? But this is not right. Okay. Activity, are we ready?
Yes,
Okay.
ready.
Place your hands on your waist. Separate your legs a foot apart. Now bend towards your right side. Now the frequency of bending will be raised, but you have to do it with me. Right side. Left side with me. Avoid jerky action. झटके से इधर उधर नहीं जाना है. Straighten up. Right side. Now I'm slowly increasing the frequency. You can see the number of times I'm doing. I have increased it. Keep looking at me. Keep doing. Right. Anyone wants to drink water? You can drink water right in the middle of the activity. There is no harm. These are new age theories. Old age theories are a matter of gone by years. You can drink water. You can eat a banana during the activity. Let me tell you. Right? If you eat banana during the activity or drinking water with banana, then you can Take the instance of non-tennis players. They always resort to eating banana and drinking water throughout the activity, throughout the matches they play. Right? There's a misconception myth. Our grandparents talk about that we must not drink water with bananas. This is not right. All right. Ready? Next activity. Are we ready? Place your hand on top of your waist. Place your hands on top of your waist, right? Now raise one leg up. Now kick at least 20 times an imaginary ball which is right in front of you as if it is that ball for 20 times. This is the exercise of the thigh, the one which is raised up with the leg. Ensure that the entire body, rest of the body, I mean to say, it remains stationary. The leg which is raised is working down, right? Very good. You might feel a sort of pain here, the pain of the gain, in case you do it properly. Now, raise the other leg up. Do it again, right, with the other side of the body. Very good. You are doing right.
Sir, I have done.
You have to keep doing it. I haven't done. How can you do? I haven't finished it yet. You need to do twice with your right side and twice with your side. Ensure that you do it sets with each side. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
All right.
We're done.
All right. Are you ready? Now, another activity. Ready? Sit near to your camera. Clench your fist like this. Now raise your hand. Biceps touches the ears of the same side ears. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. All right. Do another set after a gap of 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Priya Patel, you need to ensure that the bicep touches the ears. ऐसा ऊपर जाना चाहिए. 4, 5, whatever number, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. Now next activity. Clench your fist, extend your hands in front of you as straight as possible, like a robot. Now open your webbings, clench your fists, open, clench, open, clench. This is the only activity I want you to do with the jerk, right? Every time you open, jerk it up, or every time you close it, every time you clench your fist, jerk. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. And it has to be so powerfully done that you feel some sort of pain going on in the arm, right? Let me tell you, children, the more stronger your arms are, right, the more stronger you will be able to, grab something, hold something, you can, dangle with something. The stronger your arms get, the stronger you get. It is simple as that. Okay. Many people believe that, becoming big with the torso is strong. No, the stronger the arms, the stronger you are. Okay. Now, next activity. Are we ready?
Yes.
Grab your hands like this. Grab one hand like this and the other hand with the opposite hand. Now both the hands are holding on to the wrists of each other. This how. Now try to pull it apart. ऐसे घसीट के तोड़ देना है. इतना ताकत लगाना, but avoid jerky action. Let me tell you, do not jerk. You need to like that. Pull them apart, tear them off. फाड़ के फेंक देना है इस तरह. Tearing your cloth. But no jerky. Avoid jerky action. No jerks, please. You'll be feeling a pain, sort of pain on your shoulders.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now do it again. Grab like that and pull them off. Pull them apart. Tear them off. Tear them apart. So much power you apply that you start sounding like a cow. No. All right. Are we doing?
Yes,
Real
sir.
Patel, what you are doing? Well, did you get it? ऐसे पकड़ना है हाथ. All right. Now you need to grab and hold on to this position. Grab your fingers of both the hands to each other, and you need to attain this posture. Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remain like that for a while. Keep like that. Very good. Very good. I want you to do while you are facing against the camera. Face towards the opposite side and do so that I can see, Priyal. What you are doing behind your back, I cannot see. Children, I cannot see what you're doing behind your back. Yes, that is the right way. And let me check all of you are actually doing it right or not. Let me check. Very good. Most of you are doing it right. And those who are doing it wrong, maybe not, maybe that wrong. Very good. Very good. Fine. All right, stop. Next activity. But before that, I would like to tell you that I have
अभी तक तुम पी नहीं पाए थे अभी तक
will
तुम पी नहीं
expire
पाए
any
थे
moment now. And I would like to thank all of you teachers and
What happened, Garvangi?
all. I don't know how long we are going to remain online with each other. Please do spread this message that they all need to come for this morning session at 8:20. Thanks for coming. We'll continue with the action today. Here we go. All right.
खाने खा लो जान निकाल ले अभी एक सेब दे रहे पूरा खा के हमको दिखाना मेरी आवाज आई थी
Separate your legs apart, widest apart, right? Then keep your knees bent throughout the activity. Place your hands here where the fibula starts from the body groin area.
तो ठीक है रखते हैं अभी कुछ ऐसे
Hands here and go up and down. But throughout the activity, the knees will remain bent. You can see that I'm not straightening my knees like this. मैं घुटने सीधे नहीं कर रहा हूँ. You can see I'm going up and down with my knees bent throughout the activity. Up and down में थोड़ा सा ही करता हूँ so that the knees do not straighten up. This way you need to do at least 25 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This out 25. I want to see who is doing and who is unable to. Real Patel, अरे मेरे बाबा देखो तो दूसरों को क्या कर रहे हैं. Place your hands on top of the rear, the lowest end of the waist. Real, थोड़ा दूर जाओ बच्चा. Rajveer, are you doing Vaibhavi, Saransh? What are you doing? Very good.
Sir, I have done. Sir, I have done.
Can take a sip of or two of water in case you want to have nearby. Don't go anywhere. Stop. Next activity. Are we ready? All right. Are we ready? Now place your hands on your waist. Right. Extend your right leg in front of you. Rotate your ankle 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Right. All right, now extend the left leg in front of you. Rotate ankle 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Very good. Now, are we ready for next activity? Here we go. Is lying down. लेटना नहीं है. You need to remain seated and you need to tell the cycles right in front of you, not on top of you. ऐसे सामने आगे पीछे पैर चलाने हैं. You need to extend the legs. You need to straighten them at maximum hills, maximum limits. You need to extend your legs away from your body. Right? You need to pedal 50 cycles. 50. Small children can pedal 30 cycles. Right? You need to pedal cycles. Reverse also for at least 30 times. Reverse cycling also you need to do. Okay. Uber Shubh Tiwari. Listen. पैर सीधे करना पूरे सीधे.
Sir, I have done 30 times.
Very good. You're doing fine.
Sir, done.
Very good.
You're done.
Good.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Wait. Others finish. Stop. All right. Next activity coming up. Are we ready?
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Here we go.
Sure.
Okay, stop. Rise up, stand straight, children. Okay. Now grab your toe with the hand of the same side. If you are, if you have raised the right leg up, hold the toe of the right leg with your right hand. Now try to extend it away from you. Right? Hold it for 3 seconds. Did you get it? See that? Try to hold it on. Hold on to it for at least 3 seconds. Children, let me tell you, you might have seen, you might have noticed that I keep you do, I try to make you keep doing with one leg activity. They are the key to sports. One leg balance. Right? Very good. Very good. If you are holding on to some wall, you can do that. Cheat codes. You play video games, computer games. See, anything in excess when done is dangerous. But I feel somewhere there's a need of playing video games and computer games as well. Not too much, but up to an extent. All right. There we go.
Sure.
You need to place your forearms on the floor. You need to straighten your body up. you need to remain raised up in the air, away from the floor, at least for 20 seconds. Right? You need to look forward as if you are about to charge for running. Please straighten up your base. Bumpy ऐसा निकला नहीं रहेगा. Keep it straight. Look forward, look in front of you, as if you are going to charge for a race. And hold on to this position for 20 seconds. Right. Next activity. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Stop doing. Now you need to do push-ups. For small children, the push-ups need to be done with bent knees, right? You need to ensure that the chin touches the floor. Okay? The chin touches the floor. Okay? And for big boys, you need to straighten up your legs and do push-ups as we normally do, right? If you want to learn heavy duty push-ups, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can learn heavy duty push-ups there. But that is meant for only children above and children of class 7 and above, right? So I have taught there over the channel hanging push-ups, one-arm push-ups, all the sort of such push-ups I have already taught. All right. Are we doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you need to do Shavasana.